What's up guys, AppyDroid Development here. So this is the AppyDroid SILENZIO. There's only going to be one of these made, so please bear that in mind. I won't be doing any more of these. It was an absolute bollock to get all this to work, and it works very well, but it took me best part of most of 2 days to get this put together and get all working. So I won't be doing any more. There's only going to be one of these, and it's going to be up for auction. If you want it, go bid for it. I'll leave a link in the description where the auction will be. It's basically just my eBay. So yeah, what's different from this from the regular model? This is based on the Budget V2. As you guys know, there's a little noise gate control here, so you just basically turn that all the way to the right to have maximum noise gate effect. Now, because this does have 2 amplifiers in here, you don't need a lot of volume, so you basically need to just turn up a little bit until you're comfortable with it. Don't be cranking it all the way up, because it will kind of start distorting the audio, and obviously the noise gate will be over it, and basically you'll start hearing noise again. So basically only just a little bit is required, like so. You turn it down a little bit more, and that will still kind of reduce the noise as well. So yeah, that's basically how loud they are normally stock anyway, so you don't really need a lot of volume. I'm going to turn the noise gate off so you can kind of hear what it sounds like before. So that's the noise gate off, and that's it on. So as you can tell, it makes a great deal of difference. Now, something to be aware of is the noise gate doesn't work through the headphone port. If you plug headphones in here, it's still just how the radio would normally sound, and you also still hear the speaker as well. So just bear that in mind. This wasn't built for SD sessions or anything like that. Even though you still can plug headphones in here, you will hear the audio coming through there. And that's the only way I could get this to work, was basically utilize the headphone source to power the little amplifier inside, because the speaker amplifier was way too loud, it didn't work. So yeah, just bear that in mind. You can't get the noise effects to work through the headphone port, and if you plug something in here, you will hear that as well. Also, something to note as well, you don't need a lot of volume. Just have that up a little bit. This goes about 3-4 times as loud as it should, so I wouldn't recommend having that cranked all the way up, just because it will sound distorted and you won't get the noise effect as well. Yeah, so you want to turn the noise off, just basically turn that little dial here. Everything else works the same, no battery boxes or anything like that. It's basically all just runs off the 18650 battery on the side. The noise effects do work on Bluetooth as well, so when you have this set to Bluetooth mode, if you run apps that are generally quite noisy, it will take out the noise as well, so that's something to be aware of as well. So yeah, I'm going to leave that there, guys. This is just going to be up for an auction. I'm only doing one of these, and I won't be converting anybody's radio that has this model, just because it is too much work and it's too much to kind of muck around with. This was just basically a one-off to see if I could even do it, and I did it no problem. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. I'm going to leave it there, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Bye then now.